Hello friends, I'm going to be showing you guys where locals go here in Belgrade. The place's name is Walter, and as we can see, we got the train coming through this location. Every like 10 minutes you get the train coming through. It's a really great atmosphere, and this location is right at the heart of downtown. It's not far away at all. Great place to go to if you're on a tight budget, but also if you just want the authentic experience of eating where the locals eat. And so this is a chain. There's a bit more than 10 locations all around Belgrade, but they also have got them in Novi Sad. So they've got them all over the country. Walter's is a Sarajevo themed restaurant. So they do have a lot of things that are kind of Sarajevo style, which Sarajevo is the capital of Bosnia. The menu is very standardized. They don't have everything in English, unfortunately, but that shouldn't matter. The top two lines here are both Bosnian style kebabs and different things that are really very local to Sarajevo. And then the three bottom ones are very local Serbian. The Takovska salad is a very common one you're gonna find all over the Balkans. What they've got on draft is actually a Czech Republic beer here. They also have got Yellen beer. They have got a lot of different Rakias here to choose from. I chose the apricot Rakia because this is actually my favorite one. Here we go. Spicy on your throat. This will wake you up in the morning. You smell it. You can smell the fruity intensity of the different fruits that they use to make this. Here in Serbia is the place we're gonna find the most variety of all the different fruits for Rakia. You got honey Rakia, quince, apricot, cherry, apples, grape, pomegranate, you got raspberry, blueberry, anything you can imagine, they can make a Rakia from it. So cheers you guys to our health. A lot of elderly people drink this every day religiously before they eat their breakfast. Juveli is how they say cheers here in Serbia. We've got in this amazing sandwich here sausages. This is the Sarajevo style sausage with the Kajmak butter. Kajmak butter is kind of a little bit hint of a sweetness, very creamy, really rich. It's kind of a butter mixed with cheese. It just kind of melts in your mouth. They have got a lot of Kajmak on here. Just put it all throughout the sandwich and then you cut it up with your knife and fork. You got the sausage and some onions all in one bite. Got bread around it. It is definitely a experience, that is for sure. That butter is just so creamy. It's got kind of a butter popcorn flavor. A little bit sweet, just really a very good combination. The sausage with the bread, it makes you feel like you are here in Serbia. A lot of fresh onions cut up with the sausage that's like this, basically very small cut up sausages. And then you've got the spicy pepper that's dried that they also throw inside there. So it's just this amazing combination of an explosion of flavors. This is definitely a must try though. It reminds me of a buttermilk pancake. It's not sweet, it's more of a savory, creamy, buttery kind of experience. The Cevapi here is made with beef, but you can find Cevapi that's mixed with lamb, mixed with chicken, mixed with all kinds of different meats. Check that out. Was great over there at Walter's. I definitely recommend that place. Now we are off to Prava Pljeskavica, and it's a place that you can get a Serbian burger, as so they say. It's not just like any American style burger. This is the Serbian burger. They can have lamb inside, it can have a bit of beef, it can be a mixture of different meats, but they've got a lot of onions in it and then a lot of great sauces. So I'm super excited to try it. We're right about there right now, just a couple minute walking along the residential area, and hoping not to step into any landmines. And so they say there's a lot of landmines. People walk their dogs, the dogs do their business, and something you gotta watch out for when you're walking through here in Serbia. Electric trams running through the whole city, and they're very loud, very old transit system. They do have a subway here in Belgrade, but there's only a couple lines connecting. They'd never quite finished the project that they started. Prava Pljeskavica is a very popular place amongst the locals, so that's why I'm taking you right here, because a lot of people go there and they say it's good. So I'm gonna try it for the first time and tell you what I think. Pljeskavica, I'm all in. So let's go try this one here.
Do you want addition onion.
Yeah. Onion, everything.
Everything.
Yeah, everything you get.
Right now and take away.
Actually, here, if I could eat.
Okay, okay, not problem.
A pretty standard local place, and they really have got a lot of Pljeskavica here. They make a lot every day. Right now, it's not the busy time. During the busy time, you won't have this place to yourself. You'll be standing in line. It's not the easiest place to get a spot to eat. A lot of people take this to go. It's a pretty common thing to have just on the road. You're walking, going to work, you have a Pljeskavica. And then you got the sour milk that's kind of like yogurt. You might ask, what's the difference between soured milk and yogurt? Soured milk is produced by an uncontrolled milk fermentation using naturally occurring bacteria. Yogurt is produced by controlled milk fermentation of milk by lactic acid bacteria. We're gonna give it a try and tell you how it is right now. First bite. It's really a nice kind of tangy flavor from the yogurt that's in here. And some Pljeskavica's got other toppings. It just depends where you go and what kind of style they are going for. Green cabbage, plus a good amount of onions. And so yeah, it's just a very simple, nice sandwich. You know, you can't go wrong with this Pljeskavica. A lot of different places to go for Pljeskavica, so there's no way of knowing which one place makes the best one. But this one is a pretty good one, I'd say. I really like the dried chili pepper flakes in here. They really love their chili flakes here in Serbia. Always nice to have a little bit of extra spice in every single bite. Chili and chili flakes are relatively mild here in the Balkans when you compare them to chili flakes that you'll find in Asia. What makes this place special is how they toast their buns on the grill. It just is that nice crispiness that you want, and it gets a little bit of that burger juice inside of the actual bun itself. The bun is kind of like a sourdough bun, kind of that nice English muffin kind of taste a little bit with that sour milk. The burger itself, it's got all these spices, cooked to perfection, just like not undercooked at all. It's a nice burger patty, good texture. It's not like a melt in your mouth kind of burger that you get maybe in America. It's more of a chewy burger, but it's really good. I love Pljeskavica. I mean, this is better than an American hamburger for sure. If you go to McDonald's, you don't know what you're doing as a traveler. I mean, you could go to McDonald's to try a couple specific things that are local to the region maybe, but you know, it's way more interesting to try the local food and not obsess over having McDonald's every day. Can't go wrong with this place. You gotta try. And they gave me a free beer just because they're really nice here in the Balkans, here in Serbia. Really friendly people. And this is one of my favorite beers, by the way. This is Ćevapi, and it's a very refreshing, really bold lager, and it is just a really good one to have in the summertime, wintertime, anytime. This is a really, really solid beer. 10 out of 10 for any lager. It's basically just because up there in the mountains here in Serbia, they got really high quality water, so that's why they have got really high quality beer right here like this. Really nice of them to give me a free beer. That was an amazing burger joint. It was way better than I expected. They actually put the spice inside of the meat and then they cook it up. I didn't even realize that they had the onions and spice cooked in with the meat like that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Today I'm going to be taking you guys on a food journey to a restaurant named Ira Villa, really famous here in Tirana for making Korcha cuisine and local Tiranian cuisine. Got two friends joining me. They're both fellow YouTubers, Taste Bud Takeover and Colin Broadcast. We're going to be heading that way, joining them very soon. Oh, hello.